Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your earbuds Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 using application. You have to start by open Galaxy Wearable application I already add these earbuds to the application. If you don't know how to install and set up or how to add these earbuds to the app, you can check videos at this channel. Now, right here, we need to scroll down and go to Earbuds Settings. After that, right here at the bottom, we have Reset, and you need to tap at this line. And then click Reset again. Now we need to reconnect these earbuds with a phone. So, to do this, open Settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. If you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top. Mine having it, but maybe you will have it. If you have iOS only, enter to the Bluetooth. Oh no, you cannot use the application on your iOS devices. Sorry. At the device list, you need to tap at your earbuds and then click Pair. And after that, you need to reconnect these earbuds with the application. So open it, click Start. We have our earbuds, so click on it. Then you can sign in into your account. I'm going to skip it. Right here we need to only click at the End User License Agreement to go to the next step. But you can also select something else here or agree to all. So agree, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!